In this guide, we will walk you through several effective methods for Nokia to Huawei transfer, including using a professional phone transfer tool, phone clone, Bluetooth, and a Google account. Part 1. How to do a Nokia to Huawei transfer by Coolmuster mobile transfer. Step 1. Install and launch the program on your computer. Step 2. Connect both your Nokia and Android Huawei devices to the computer using two USB cables. Once the devices are connected, you will see Connected displayed under both the source and destination phones. If needed, you can tap the flip button to swap the positions of the two devices. Step 3. Choose all the data you want to transfer and click the button of Start Copy. Then, all the selected content saved in your Nokia device will be transferred to the Huawei mobile phone instantly. Part 2. How to switch from Nokia to Huawei with Phone Clone. Step 1. Download and install the Phone Clone app on both your Nokia and Huawei phones. Step 2. Open the app on both devices and select this is the new phone on your Huawei and this is the old phone on your Nokia device. Step 3. Scan the QR code on your Huawei device using the Nokia phone. Step 4. Choose the data you want to transfer and tap Start. Step 5. Wait for the data to transfer. Then check your Huawei device to ensure everything has moved successfully. Part 3. How to transfer data from Nokia to Huawei through Bluetooth. Step 1. Enable Bluetooth on both your Nokia and Huawei phones. Step 2. Pair the two phones by searching for the other device in the Bluetooth settings and accepting the pairing request. Step 3. On your Nokia phone, select the files you want to transfer and choose Send via Bluetooth. Step 4. Select your Huawei phone from the list of paired devices. Step 5. Accept the transfer request on your Huawei phone to start the transfer. Step 6. Wait for the transfer to complete and check the files on your Huawei device. Part 4. How to transfer files from Nokia to Huawei using Google account. Step 1. On your Nokia phone, go to Settings Accounts Google. Ensure that sync is enabled for the data you want to transfer, such as contacts, calendar events, app data, and more. Step 2. Turn on your new Huawei phone and start the initial setup process. When you reach the step where it asks you to sign into your Google account, use the same Google account that you used on your Nokia phone. Step 3. Next, you will be prompted with the option to restore from cloud or restore from backup. Step 4. Select the backup from the cloud option, and your Huawei phone will begin downloading the backed up data from your Google account.